And this is a disposable mask that I do a little short segment on how I make it work for me. I guess disclaimer, these masks obviously aren't going to do the protection level as an N95 mask. Alright, I want to show you a little trick that I do use with disposable masks because, I mean, not all disposable masks are created equal. But I have found a way to make the ones that I have work for me. But I'm trying to make masks that I don't have to use disposable ones for. The first thing I do is fold it in the middle. So that way I know where the middle goes on my nose. I put it over my ears. And if I wear it just like this, there's too much gap here. Like way too much gap. I get my breath, I get nose breath, I get my mouth breath all over my glasses and they fog up really bad. And I'm not protecting anybody wearing this mask like this. Yeah? So, here's what I do. I put my hair up and I clip. I clip it back. That alone makes it so much better. The next thing I do is I fix my nose. I really pinch in my nose and then I fold down part of that nose clip. I fold down part of the nose. I mean up here at the top. Right? And I keep folding. Now, I do still get some nose breath, but it's not nearly as much. And it fits a lot better. Like I have a lot less air coming out of my mask in all directions than if I just wear it by itself, and then I can put my hair down and I'm good to go. See you later. Bye.